Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Stinger. The Kia Stinger has a design that is sure to leave an impression. It offers the perfect combination of a sporty look coupled with a wide variety of luxurious features and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, overhead console. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.